In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to re-request the Google AdSense PIN if you have not received the PIN. So for that, just log into your Google AdSense account, and at home screen you can click on that action button, or you can just go to that gear icon at top right corner, click on settings, and then account information, and then address verification. Click on verify address. Okay, just check out your address if it is correct or not. You can make changes to your address before requesting a new PIN. And right here at the bottom there's a button, request new PIN. Just click on that button, review your address. If you just want to change it, just click on no, change my address first, or just click on yes, generate email PIN. So in my case, I'm going to click on yes, generate email PIN. So it's that easy. You're going to be sent the PIN, and keep in mind that you can request the PIN for about 3 times at maximum. After that, you're going to have to provide real documents to verify your address. If you like this video, subscribe to channel Mohsin Khan YT. Thanks for watching.